Hello, I'm Mike Dufresne, Vice President of Sales and Marketing for Pierce Manufacturing. We hope that you have enjoyed the virtual product launches over the last 6 weeks with the introduction of our idle reduction technology, heavy-duty rescue pumper, the FX tanker product, updated HVAC system, our Haas Alert system, and the roof-mounted version of the Pierce Situational Awareness System. Today, I'm pleased and extremely excited to announce the bringing together of two premium brands, Pierce and PACCAR, providing the first-class MX-13 engine exclusively for our custom fire apparatus. Pierce remains committed to providing you the broadest selection of custom chassis and powertrains in the industry. Foundational to our strategy is Pierce's commitment to quality, service, and performance. Over the next few days, Pierce will be broadcasting additional details of this exciting new partnership, highlighting the performance and quality of the PACCAR MX-13 engine design. Please look for these videos on our social media accounts and website. Thank you, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay tuned.